you've watched our videos for some time, you'll know that we love the beach. India is happiest splashing in the ocean and building sandcastles in the sand. This is our happy place. This year, red tide hit our coastline early. The algae bloom kills marine life and seabirds, washing dead fish up on our shores and making it hard to breathe. This beach trip in May would be our last for a while, and we've been missing it. So we packed a bag and drove across the state to Volusia County to see what the Atlantic coast of Florida has to offer. We checked into a cheap motel, grabbed a cheeky Starbucks, and began our East Coast adventure at Tomoka State Park. What are we eating?
Salad with some milkshake.
What's in your milkshake?
Strawberries.
Hey, Daddy. You never would, huh?
touch him.
No. See you later, my dude.
See you later, Frank.
Frank?
Yeah.
Is that his name, Frank?
Yeah.
Oh, that is very cool.
It looks like a little palm tree.
Daddy, look at these flowers. They're amazing.
That evening, we drove to the nearby city of DeLand to explore their art walk.
One, two, three. I love you. 5, 6, 7, 8. Love you.
So pretty.
You are the queen of sunshine and pretty flowers.
This is cool. Did you see the wall at the back, baby? It's a waterfall. Is it pretty?
Located approximately 30 miles north of Orlando, DeLand is dubbed the Athens of Florida for its arts and culture. It was the first city in Florida to have electricity, and it's home to Stetson University, named after the famous hat maker.
Wow, beautiful.
As the sun began to set, bats emerged from the bat houses. Unfortunately, my camera couldn't pick them up, so you'll have to take my word for it. Or take a trip to this unique city and check them out for yourself. As much fun as all these adventures have been, we drove to the other side of Florida for a reason.
So we are, for India's very first time, gonna go see the Atlantic Ocean.
Yay!
Let's go check it out. India's first time in the Atlantic.
This beach.
It's so good.
Yeah.
I just wanted to take a dip in the water again.
Okay, we will in a minute. Do you love it here?
I'm very myself. I really love it.
You looked happy in the water.
Yeah, but I was.
7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Ooh, wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there. Hold on tight. I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. Ooh.